So, you've heard about FutureCare and you're looking for more info. You are clearly someone who plans ahead. Nice. FutureCare is our official after-sales service plan, designed to keep your OMODA or JAECOO in top condition for years to come. With expert technicians, nationwide dealership support, and trusted partnerships with DHL and RAC, we've got you covered. Now let me talk you through each step, because when you understand what goes into looking after your car, the attention to detail, the passion, the skill, you'll know its future's in safe hands. When it comes to keeping your car running perfectly, timing is everything. Just like this delivery. It's why we've partnered with DHL to store and deliver spare parts, accessories and components. Thanks, Kieran. OMODA and JAECOO have 25,000 square feet of space at DHL's EV Centre for Excellence, enabling us to provide next-day parts delivery by 10 a.m. across the UK. Even the spares for your car deserve the best, and that's what DHL offers, with decades of experience, consistent high quality and sector expertise. Assessments, servicing, repairs. The OMODA JAECOO technical team have mastered them all. Trust me, we know our stuff. FutureCare covers you for 3 to 4 years, giving you peace of mind, knowing your car's looked after by the people who know it best. Every new OMODA and JAECOO comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first. From paintwork to body panels to genuine spare parts, the important details are protected. Even the best maintained cars face obstacles on the road. That's why we've partnered with RAC to offer 24/7 roadside assistance, providing support wherever you are in the UK. Most drivers get help within an hour, and 4 out of 5 cars are fixed there and then. If your car needs more attention, they'll bring you to your nearest dealership. RAC coverage initially lasts a year, but renews with every service, so they'll be there to lend a hand in the future. With our extensive network of locations and continuous expansion across the UK, you are never far from expert care. At our dealerships, you'll discover a range of services, including vehicle assessments, servicing, repairs, test drives and financing options. We even have dedicated EV home chargers produced by award-winning manufacturers. With every service, we go that extra mile, from complimentary car cleaning to refreshments while you wait. We'll update software and even provide courtesy cars when needed. Plus, a complete OMODA JAECOO service history benefits resale value. And the best part? It's affordable, thanks to interest-free monthly payments. So, with all of that, our nationwide dealer network, trusted partnerships and expert technicians, you can trust us to keep your road ahead smooth for the long haul.